Alright, what I'm going to show you here is called a Packers Kromer. That's what it fits. The part number and the weight on it. It's this unit right up here. It's a zero gravity unit, and what it'll do for you is once you rig up your crank, I can now raise and lower my crank with one finger. So all I got to do is bring my block over, set my pistons in it, and just work them down. It'll suspend it and hold it while I put my pistons in, and the pistons just fall into the groove. So it makes it real easy. If I got a problem, I can pick it up, pull it out. And you can adjust the weight so it'll either stay up or down. I keep it down just enough so it falls into the block as I get the rings in placement. And that's all there is to it. Zero gravity. Best thing in the world.